Hello students, welcome to the class. In this video, we are going to discuss about the longitudes. Earlier, we have discussed about the latitudes and now we will discuss about the longitudes. So to know any place on the globe, just know about the latitude is not enough because only knowing the latitude you can't find any place because latitude is a circle and in that circle there can be many places. So how can we find where is that place? So to find out that place we should also know about the longitudes. So you can see here in this picture that in this picture in the globe area there are certain lines which joins North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are called the meridian of longitude. You can see here the imaginary lines joining the north and south poles with reference to prime meridian are called meridians of longitudes. This is the definition of meridians of longitudes that are imaginary lines which join the north and the south poles. But here is one reference line that we call the prime meridian. What is prime meridian? 0 degree longitude passing through Greenwich is named as prime meridian. Just like in the latitude, we assume no, that 0 degree is called the equator. So here 0 degree longitude is called the prime meridian, and that longitude passes through the Greenwich, that is in the London. So you can see here, student, in this diagram that there are latitude also as well as longitude also. So this middle line, here it is written prime meridian. So this line actually passes through the London or Greenwich area. Actually, we finalized that which line is called 0 degree longitude. So we have chosen that prime meridian as a 0 degree longitude. So from this line, because you know that globe is a circle, or so from this line to the western part there are 180-degree longitudes, and from 0 degree longitude to the eastern part again there are 180-degree longitudes, because you know that the measurement of circle is 360 degree. So from 0 degree to the 180-degree western side, and from 0 degree to 180-degree eastern side. It makes the complete circle. But remember, student, that 180-degree longitude is only one line. You can see here that 180-degree east and 180-degree west meridians are on the same line. So this prime meridian again it divides our earth into two hemispheres. So from prime meridian 0 degree to the 180-degree west longitude, this area is known as the western hemisphere, and from 0 degree, that is prime meridian, to 180-degree east longitude, this area is known as the eastern hemisphere. So you can see here you can see that parallels of latitude also and meridians of longitude also. So if you know both these things, parallels of latitudes and meridian of longitude, then you can find out any place on the earth. For example, you can see here that Dhubri in Assam is situated at 26-degree north latitude and 90-degree east longitude. So if you know that 26-degree north latitude, so you can find out the latitude and 90-degree east longitude. So where these 2 points cut each other, that place is Dhubri in Assam. So this actually this makes the grid. What is the meaning of grid? Grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes.